In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on error notification in Outlook. By the end, you'll have Outlook keep important error messages and action confirmations on screen until you dismiss them yourself, so nothing slips by unnoticed. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website. This will take you to Outlook on the web, which is where we'll make the change. If the page looks a little different on your end, don't worry. Microsoft updates the interface from time to time, but the option we need stays in the same general area. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings pane. You'll see a list of categories and options. We're going to work in the section that controls your general account preferences. In the Settings, select General. This area contains broad options that affect your overall Outlook experience. Next, choose Accessibility. These settings are designed to make Outlook easier to use and to ensure that important messages are visible long enough to read and act on them. Within Accessibility, locate the Adjust Timing section. This part manages how long notifications and confirmations remain visible on your screen. By default, Outlook often shows quick, temporary toasts that can fade away before you've had a chance to read them, especially when you're multitasking. Find the option labeled Show Error Notifications and Action Confirmations until I dismiss them, and turn it on. Enabling this tells Outlook to keep those important banners visible until you actively close them. It's especially helpful if you deal with a lot of emails, rules, or calendar updates and don't want to miss a failed send, a blocked attachment, or a confirmation that an action completed. After you've enabled the option, make sure to click Save. This step applies your change and ensures it sticks the next time you use Outlook. Without saving, Outlook will revert to the previous behavior, and your notifications may disappear automatically. That's it. From now on, when an error occurs, or when Outlook needs to confirm an action, the message will stay on screen until you dismiss it. If you ever decide you prefer the shorter, automatic timeouts, you can return to the same accessibility area and switch it back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple tweak helps you catch and resolve issues more quickly while using Outlook on the web.